खुलुमबायख्या खानि ताखुक ते बुकुक संनो तिनि आं नंनो काisa job notification tei sanai mo job ni department ni bumung ongkha Securities and Exchange Board of India short form SEBI obongkha bongni website ang norokno o video ni description box o website ni link no read nai norok all link o thangai direct o website nok phai pura details naimanai naidi o jaga mungka bongle website just bini left side naidi kaisa option tongo about nai norok ojo thang click khaidi click khaimani pore nungnai kaisa careers ni option oja thang norok select khaidi select khaimani pore nungnai tamo date tei title naiji March 7 ani tongo norok o jaga click khainai di SEBI recruitment exercise for officer grade 1 assistant manager ni tui norok oro thangi naidi obongkha bongni site je norok o jaga nugui mano je online application link ni bagai tai OBC certificate format SC ST ni certificate format tai je o jaga pulano tongo je advertisement recruitment of officer grade A assistant manager ni PDF file norok o jaga click khaigenke pura ikoro click khaimani pore norok oro pura nungnai je tamotomo criteria ba tamotomo nang o job na apply khainani norok pura details naimanai so tung tak thangnai nai do mono ongkha o PDF file o jaga pura details rajak tongo tamo nang o job na apply khainani hingke actually o job ni bagai March 7 2020 no online application start ngai thangka jora rajaka March 23 2020 jora phiaba o job apply khainani bagai borok date extend khairjaga 30 April 2020 jora ang nongno last je video ang nongno phone gona je borok extend khaimani tabuk chongoro naileyan je busuk tamo busuk vacancy rok tong pulani post ni bumungkha general o jaga 80 total 80 vacancy tongo orni bisingo ST rokno bagi hingke 6 sudu tai boni bagi educational qualification nangnai master degree in any discipline haigaba bachelor degree in law bachelor degree in engineering from a recognized university CA CFA CS cost accountant nangnai aban pore second hingke tamo post ni bumungkha legal boni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in law from a recognized university or institute o jaga tongo ST rokni bagai vacancy ka kaini total vacancy tongo 28 kono naimane then next kha information technology boni bagai qualification nangnai bachelor degree in engineering electrical electronics and communication information technology computer science or masters in computer application or bachelor degree in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification minimum 2 years duration in computers haikaba information technology o jagani total vacancy ka tongo 17 ST rokno bagi hingke kaisa no abon next ke tamo civil engineering boni bagi qualification nangnai bachelor degree in civil engineering boni bagai kaisa no vacancy ka yor total kaisa no ST no bagai 0 next angkha tama electrical engineering qualification nangnai bachelor degree in electrical engineering total vacancy tongo 3 bono ST no bagai 0 no norok haikeba alka your rotibo khakhayo apply khaimana na next angkha tama research boni bagai qualification nangnai master degree in statistics economics commerce business administration finance econometrics from a recognized university and institute total vacancy tongo 4 then ST no bagai again 0 then next tongo tamo official language boni bagai qualification nangnai master degree in Hindi with English as one of the subject at bachelor degree hai keba master degree in Sanskrit, English, Economics, Commerce with Hindi as a subject at bachelor degree level from a recognized university. Bono bai keba total vacancy kaisa no. Norok naimane among kabongni PDF file joto details rek tongo tai boyos nangnai jemon 30 new poranga ke engyando not have exceed the age of 30 years. Jara STS ni bagi to jorajak tongo as per government rules 5 years. Tai boni bagai norok exam marnai jemon mode of selection pula hangani ni 100 marks ni nai phase 1 then again phase 2 of 100 marks in exam nai abon clear khame pore interview hoga phase 3 ong nai apore naijor paper jak tongo paper 1 all stream ni bagi multi choice question tong MCQ then paper 2 ongkani ni general stream tam nong ni stream tui subject ni tui exam ong nai aboni loge cut off robo tongo check khaine mono rok then or jaga center jak tongo je examination center ni Agartala ni bagibo sorry Tirupati ni bagibo Agartala center tongo norok omo je for online application khayo norok afro from select khayi ready tai o jaga application fees norok marnai jemon UR no bagi henke UR OBC bon by 1000 then SC ST PWD ni bagi henke 100 rupees ko naidi omo honke borok online je seng application khainani obo extend khairi jaka jemon online application and payment of fees agi tongmani March 7 2020 ni simi March 23 jora obon extend khairega April 30 jora then phase 1 online examination nai July 4th 2020 wa then phase 2 exam nai August 23 wa o jaga pura details jaga nog nai nidi baisa belekeno hambai je ani o video nainai rokno jotono kaham tongba di bye bye to all.